By the way, guys, I'm Vincent Garcia, your host for today's event. Today marks an exciting step forward as Mitsubishi continues to deliver smarter, stronger, and more reliable mobility solutions, especially for businesses and corporate drivers who demand efficiency and durability. So first, nais po namin magpasalamat on behalf of our management sa pagpunta sa isa sa napakahalagang evento dito sa ating leadership. So, ayun, ready na ba kayo guys? To officially begin our program, we're inviting our branch manager to give some insights and inspiring message. Please give her a round of applause.
I would like to extend a warm welcome to all our guests, our dear customers, who are joining us today for a very special event. Thank you so much for being here, sharing this moment with us. Once again, welcome to the launch of Mitsubishi Personal. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much everyone for such a meaningful and inspiring message. So sobrang inspire namin, I think kaya namin sa at least 5 minutes sabi na for this month. So, ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to move to the most exciting part of today's event. The official date of vehicle designed to define reliability, flexibility, and performance. Is built for businesses, built for efficiency, and of course, built for the future. Everyone, let's come together in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The new Mitsubishi Versatile. So, very impressive guys, right? Very simple, but yet very enjoyable. So, guys, I ask you Mitsubishi Versatile. So, you can get a Mitsubishi Versatile for only 1,649,000 pesos. And you can also a 65,000 pesos discount if you avail from Versatile. And not only that, kung mag-upgrade po tayo ng Versatile or not only Versatile, kahit ano po yung units ng Mitsubishi from February to July, meron po tayong 1,000 entry sa ating 5LB Ultimate Car Giveaway. Ngayon guys, ito po 5LB is exclusive only sa mga car world dealerships. Well, mas masaya mo dito tayo nilagay sa car world. So, ano yung previous sa by the opening car giveaway? So first, ang ating grand prize is 1 unit of 2026 Mitsubishi Expander. And the second prize is 3 for 2 to Thailand. And then, third prize is the iPad 11 Gen. And then, ang consolation prize po natin ay ang limited edition Rally R merchandises. So guys, now we are inviting everyone to get up close and personal with the Mitsubishi Versatile. Feel free to explore the interior, experience the cargo space, and speak with our product specialist who will gladly answer your questions regarding cost and specs ng ating Versatile. So this is your chance to experience the van built to move your business forward.